Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing okay. Sorry for the late update. I had to go to the kindergarten. We had like a small Santa party for the kids, but now we're back. Uh, Crazy volatility yesterday, right? So, let's start with S&P. We had there was a data leak before the event, like 1 minute before. So we had a 3.3 pump, and then we retraced the whole move. Okay. Um, I think this was some sort of bear trap, if you ask me, right? Probably these are uh, some people caught here, and let's see what's gonna happen next. Um, right. So basically, we had this missed trade here, right? We missed this one, and we said if we go lower here we will take the trade. Here, break, retest the trend line, we'll take the trade. None of this happened, so we didn't take anything, right? We are patient. Well, I'm wondering how much of this was already priced in. um, if this goes down, I think the next bear leg it will be very very brutal. So from a technical point of view, this is in nowhere, no man's land. There is nothing here, like literally nothing. We can't work with this. Um, this is the first key level here, right? So it's okay, but I think this is the last leg here, depending on what the Fed will say tonight. So we have to position ourselves very carefully. Again, if we break out again, then probably we will have to take the trade somewhere in between here. But we'll have to wait for Powell to finish his speech, and then we can probably think of a trade. I will not trade during the event. Too much risk going into it, or if you want to trade, take like small risk. That's my uh, that's my thoughts. If we break below retest, okay, we'll take the trade here. A 4 hour trade, probably go even lower, all the way to this low here. So it's gonna be like 7 hour trade. We'll have to see. Just be patient. Don't do anything stupid. I really, I don't know, man. Like, they will not pivot, obviously, right? They will have to pause, but that doesn't mean they will pivot. Pivot means like they will have to cut rates. Once that happens, I think we will go down hard. Q1, I don't think the earnings will be that bad, not that alarming. If you remember, Amazon had some bad earnings, and if we take a look at Nasdaq, let's see where it was. Uh, I know there was a sharp drop at some point. I think it was, I can't remember when was the earnings of Amazon, and then Apple saved the day. Okay, um, but given the issues that Apple had in China with their COVID and everything, I don't know. But I think Q2 or Q3, this thing will be very, very aggressive on the downside. That's my thoughts. Uh, Maybe we'll get a surprise, but with high rates, I think the financial sector will have to suffer. Okay, so that we'll have to look at banks to see how they are performing, and if they gonna be underwater with their earnings. I think that will be our first key signal that S&P, Nasdaq, or all the indices will have another low, and that low will be very very brutal. I don't know if once we break 350, 350, 3,500, sorry, then there is pretty much nothing in between. So I think this leg here will be very, very, very brutal. So far on the daily, we rejected here, so we might have some continuation, or retest this and then come down. Yes, you can trade this RSI. So overall, I will say caution. Okay, that's the key word here, caution. You have to be very, very patient. um, the best trades that we have right now are Bitcoin. So we'll take a look at Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Euro. I had a small scalp this morning, um, but I've been stopped. Okay, it's like very, very. It was like this. I wanted to have this trade. I think, if you want my honest opinion, I think we looked. I don't know if where is the one with the drawing. Either way, we said this will might go 1.063 and then come down. Again, I don't know if we will go down. This looks like, right? This looks like something. Okay. So if you want a trade, um, this will be our trade all the way here. I think this is a nice trade to have. I think it's very highly probable. But again, I will have to wait. I really don't want to do anything. You have a bearish divergence here, but this doesn't mean anything. It can continue higher. But when we looked at the charts, we said this will be our final leg here, right? So this is where we will look for shorts, definitely. I mean, this is a big resistance area. Let's see, Fibonacci, it kind of coincides with, um, no, this from here. So we are almost like at some key level. Might overshot and then come down. We'll see, but we have to have some sort of retracement, deep retracement. I don't know if it's gonna happen today or next year. We'll see. The Australian dollar, we had a short, but we closed it, right. We took some profits here, right at the lows. It's a 1.2 R trade, and then we got stopped. So, but we took like 75% of the position. I'll show you. One of my strategy focuses on like Ichimoku. So when it comes like it just sits on this edge here and it fails to break and the lagging line fails to cross the cloud, it's this doesn't look like a breakout. Okay, so but it was a nice trade. Okay, even if it's 1.2 R. um Otherwise, not much. Not much to say about this. Again, with everything, we have to be patient, right? British pound, same here. Um, we didn't have this trade. We had it planned, okay, but we didn't take it. Let me write down. It was posted on TradingView. Um, and I even said here, it needs to have some certain conditions to kind of like play out, right? No trigger, so we didn't take it. Okay, here we're going to take profit 6.7322. So then we got stopped. Let's update here. Stopped for 0.5 of the position. Okay, well, um, let's take a look at Bitcoin because I want to talk about Bitcoin. We are still in a position from 16,200. Um, so it's on this chart here. Okay, right. So we're still into this position. I will show you. So you don't think I'm a big bad liar. Um, so, right. So we have the trade. Same with gold and silver. Very very good trades. Silver we're in from 21.480, and so let's take a look at silver. I took most of the profits here. I mean, it's like seriously, it's like 4 hour. If it continues, okay, but we took profits on the position here and here. So we still have some left of the position. If it comes all the way down, sorry about that. If it comes all the way down, we don't have any issue. So shut the hey, sorry. Um, so if we get stopped, no problem. We took most of our profits. Bitcoin, we had some one of our seniors caught this Ethereum. Pu- pu- pum. What the fuck? Why can I copy the? I can't copy the image. Let me see if I can. Right. So one of our best traders, Hebe Boy, he caught this amazing trade on Ethereum. He also posted a chart on Bitcoin. Unfortunately, I waited a bit too much on this trade, but still I have some position running all the way from below. Um, so we are like pretty much good on everything. Right now, we will take a look at uh, potential shorts from 1800, or even like here from 1800 to 200. This is where we'll look for shorts. Again, all depends on CPI, right? So we'll have to be very, very patient. Um, I don't have anything to add on this on this on our trades. So let's see if we can let's see if we can take some shorts. I think these moves are hyperextended. I don't see any reason why the Fed will be dovish, but you never know. So now is the patience game. Um, this was a very very good trade if we caught it like this, but from here it's still okay, you know. Yeah, that's it about the markets. Not much to add. So take care of yourself out there. It's gonna be a crazy volatility day. So we'll see how we will play this. Right now, I'm sitting good in positions. I really don't want to force anything. We took this small trade here, which is a loss, but nothing too serious. So, catch you on Friday, where we will discuss what happens in the next 2 days. So that's it. I hope you enjoy, and if you really like this type of content, you're more than welcome to join our Discord channel. Everything is free, and we post the trades more often there than on TradingView. So have a great day and take care of yourself.